In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to search Facebook Marketplace without an account. If you're curious about the latest deals in your area or simply want to browse listings for inspiration, the good news is that you can do so without logging into Facebook. Here's how it works and some important things to keep in mind. First off, one of the most straightforward things you can do without a Facebook account is browsing listings. This means that you can view items that are up for sale directly on Facebook Marketplace. Whether you're in the market for a new piece of furniture, some electronic gadgets, or even a vehicle, the platform allows you to window shop freely. Simply visit the Facebook Marketplace page and you'll be able to scroll through a variety of items categorized and tailored by location. However, it's important to note that several functionalities are restricted for non-users. For instance, contacting sellers directly through the site necessitates having an account. So, if you see an item you like and want more details or wish to negotiate the price, signing in is a must. Moreover, if you're looking to sell items yourself, you'll need to have an account to create and manage your listings actively. This is part of Facebook's commitment to ensuring some level of interaction security and accountability. Now, let's talk about some caveats you should be aware of when using Facebook Marketplace without an account. A significant factor is that the browsing experience may vary greatly depending on your geographic region. In certain areas, Facebook has more stringent rules that restrict non-users from accessing the full range of marketplace features. This means that while you can certainly view items, the range of listings and details may be limited compared to what a logged-in user would see. Furthermore, the lack of authentication also affects the filtering options and possibly the richness of details provided in each listing. Without logging in, the tailored experience, including location-specific filtering and detailed item information, may not be as comprehensive. Despite these limitations, for those who are just browsing casually or wish to remain incognito while exploring online listings, having access to the marketplace even as a non-user is quite a handy feature. In conclusion, Facebook Marketplace offers a convenient window shopping experience for non-users, allowing you to peruse a wide array of items without needing to create an account. However, to enjoy enhanced features like contacting sellers or creating your own list